Hello guys, this is Ryan and today I would like to tell you the current updates of French Foreign Legion. Today's video is about the aptitude test and currently a guy failed who has messaged me, who tried to send me a mail and he couldn't explain a lot. He just said that I went and tried, but they said that in psychotechnical test he was failed. So he said me that he did not practice well. Of course practice is a must, but psychotechnical, tap this channel and click like. All need motivation finally. Psychotechnical test is mostly, it also happens with the mood and the human behavior. Imagine you are very confident in the psychotechnical test, in the aptitude test. When you sit on the computer, you suddenly become blank. Your mood swing, you are very demotivated, you do not have more confidence. So all your concentration and your level of practice or whatever goes down haywire. Okay, it becomes really bad. Psychotechnical test is really important in any army recruitment. It is one of the most concluded tests which has a big mark on your basic training. Okay, it has a big records on your basic training and they come to know about this. Science of the aptitude test is your mood, what kind of person you are and what exactly you understand with the figures, with the alphabets and numerical orders. They understand your personality, okay? They understand who you are, what you are, and there are a lot of shapes and figures, they try to look inside you, your personality. So it is very important to be good in those tests. We have a legionnaire who has explained us something. So the test in French Foreign Legion, it can happen after the Gestapo or before the Gestapo. There's no series, okay? It can happen on the first day or it can happen on the third day. So don't think that, okay, one by one it has to be in a traditional way. It's nothing like this. Sometimes you finish the Gestapo and then you get the aptitude test. This aptitude test mostly gonna be in your language. So when I was there, I know there was English, Russian, Hindi, Arab. There were Chinese, Morocco, I don't know, Chinese, Turkish, this kind of languages, Arabic, different kind of. So this test gonna be in your language, the best part. Of course, you get the option, the figures will be the same, it doesn't have any language. But then the upper language, it will say you about change the cubes or tell us about the 3D visualization, tell us about the geometrical shapes. So they will give you some hints, So this is one of the most important tests. So this test is given in a Morse code to see how you pick that one up, okay? As you know, the legionnaire has said that this test is very important for your career path in French Foreign Legion. As you progress in French Foreign Legion, this mark sheet will be taken into consideration to decide your career path in the regiment and in the French Foreign Legion for 5 years. The end result will be out of 20, okay? So this test, this score will be taken into really importance. The last test, that is out of 20, how much you score. The worst people are like, they score 4, so worst ones, and the best ones, one can score 20. So imagine their career path gonna be really good. If you practice French Foreign Legion, psychometric test, aptitude test, IQ test. So the cases has happened that some people have really broke down after seeing the test and they started crying, thinking that okay, my thing is done, because they don't understand anything. And this test you can only score depending on your mood, practiced you are, how much you are into concentration, how much motivated you are. So this is like a big chance you get, and what you prove in that matters. So but obvious, the guys who fail this test do not have the right to stay in French Foreign Legion. But still there are cases, 80 to 90% times French Foreign Legion invites them back after 18 months. Because 18 months in Legion is considered like enough, like to have a certain kind of maturity and knowing some maths and logical things. So by that time, less than 2 years, the guy is probably, he can try again. So there are people who have been, once they are invited second time, they have got into Legion, they have got selected and they are serving members, they are also in rep. And just one thing is true, that this test is definitely important, but practice possibly can make a difference. Yes, practice can make a difference, because in my time I remember I had a lot of practice and I was practicing in France itself. staying in France, I was practicing in Greta. Greta is one of the associations which help for the studies. So Greta was helping me, and I was really concerned about army technical test, because army tests are a bit weirdo, you know. For some people it's really easy, but for some people it can be really tough. Totally depends. And even scoring average, if you just need an average job, scoring average is enough. But imagine, you know, if you score high, if all of you guys score good, it's gonna be good for you. Okay, good for your career in French Foreign Legion, because 5 years. Imagine to become surgeon in certain regiment. So you need this kind of level, you know, to practice a lot. So if you guys have any questions or queries, do message me on my email ID. So do call me, okay guys. Thank you. Do subscribe. Salute. Bye bye.